In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't receive messages in Instagram. First thing you need to do is head over to your Instagram profile and then click at the top right, and then you want to scroll down here where you see messages and story replies. So inside here, you want to go inside message requests and make sure you set it to everyone, and make sure who can send you group messages switch to everyone. And if you go here, that should be it. So once you set these two settings to everyone, you should be able to receive messages like this. And if this doesn't fix your issue, then your best bet is to check if it's a Instagram glitch or bug. So this could be fixed simply by updating Instagram. So if you go to Play Store and go to Instagram and update, an update could actually be as simple as a fix for your issue. Now, if this still doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is go to your profile and click at the top right, scroll all the way down and click on help, and then click report problem without shaking. And here you can basically report your problem. So basically you can include images or screenshots, and Instagram support will help you resolve this issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.